Good day, class! We are here again for a new lesson entitled Codes and Standards in Industrial Art Services, National Building Code of the Philippines, Philippine Electrical and Electronics Code, Traffic and Road Signs. Let's start! For the content standard, the learners demonstrate an understanding of the concepts in industrial art services. For the performance standard, the learners perform mensuration and calculations following safety precautions. For the learning competencies and objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to 1. Discuss the basic concepts of the building code, electrical code, electronics code, traffic, and road signs. 2. Explain the importance of following the set codes and standards for industrial art services. For the content vocabulary, let's have the following words. Building, a structure with a roof and walls, such as a house, school, store, or factory. Republic Act is a piece of legislation used to create policy in order to carry out the principles of the Constitution. It is crafted and passed by the Congress of the Philippines and approved by the President of Philippines. It can only be repealed by a similar act of Congress. Next, permit. An official document giving someone authorization to do something. Dwelling, a house, apartment, or other place of residence. Fire-resistive materials. Those are substances that can withstand high temperatures and slow the spread of fire, giving people more time to escape and reducing property damage. They're often used in building construction to enhance safety. Hazard refers to the process, phenomenon, or human activity that may cause loss of life, injury, or other health impacts, property damage, social and economic disruption, or environmental degradation. Now, let's discuss the National Building Code of the Philippines or Republic Act No. 6451 for residential construction. Did you still remember the story of the three little pigs? Among the three pigs, who among them has the most sturdy house? Isn't it the third pig whose house is made from concrete materials? That's the reason why we have the National Building Code, to make sure that our houses can withstand different weather conditions. Now, let's discover the content of the National Building Code. The National Building Code of the Philippines, or Presidential Decree 1096, is a set of rules that ensures buildings in our country are safe, strong, and comfortable for people to use. It tells architects, engineers, and builders how to design and construct buildings properly. Here are the key points of NBC. 1. Safety first. Buildings must be strong enough to survive earthquakes, typhoons, and fires. 2. Good design. There should be enough space, proper ventilation or fresh air, and lighting inside buildings. 3. Accessibility. Buildings must be easy to enter and use, especially for people with disabilities. 4. Fire protection. There should be fire exits, alarms, and other safety measures to prevent fires. 5. Environmental care. Buildings should be designed to protect nature, avoid pollution, and use energy wisely. Next, the Philippine Electrical Code. The Philippine Electrical Code, or PEC, is a set of standards and regulations that govern the safe and proper installation, operation, and maintenance of electrical systems in the Philippines. It provides guidelines for electrical design, wiring, equipment selection, grounding, protection, and other related aspects to ensure electrical safety and efficiency. Why do we need to know the Philippine Electrical Code, or PEC? First, ensures safety, prevents electrical fires, shocks, and accidents caused by faulty wiring or poor installations. ensures proper grounding and circuit protection to avoid overloading. Second, complies with legal requirements. The PEC is mandatory in electrical projects. Violating it can lead to legal penalties, fines, or even denial of electrical service connections. It aligns with international safety standards like the National Electrical Code or NEC. Third, protects lives and property. A well-followed PEC reduces risks of fire and electrocution, saving lives, prevents damage to homes, businesses, and industries due to electrical failures. Fourth, guides proper electrical installation, provides technical guidelines on wiring, circuit protection, and load capacity, ensures energy efficiency and reliability in electrical systems. And fifth, essential for electricians, engineers, and students, helps professionals design and install electrical systems correctly. Residential electrical wiring color codes. Understanding the color codes in electrical wiring is essential for safety and proper installation. Here's the standard Philippine Electrical Code or PEC color coding for residential electrical wiring. First, line or phase or live wire. Red, blue, black. Carries electrical current from the source to the load, for example, lights, outlets, appliances, found in single-phase and three-phase wiring systems. Second, neutral wire, white or gray, completes the electrical circuit by returning the current to the power source, helps balance the voltage and prevents electric shocks. Third, grounding wire, green or green with yellow stripes, provides a safe path for stray current to flow into the ground, reducing the risk of electrical shocks, essential for circuit protection in case of a fault. Why color coding is important? Prevents accidental connections that can cause short circuits or electrocution, helps electricians and students identify wires correctly when installing or troubleshooting, ensures compliance with the Philippine Electrical Code PEC for safety and standardization. Another is the Philippine Electronics Code. The Philippine Electronics Code, or PEC, is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines established to ensure the safety, reliability, and efficiency of electronics and communication systems in the Philippines. Section 1. General Rules. 1.1 Purpose of Rules. Sets standards and regulations for electronics and communications systems, ensures safety and protection for individuals working in the field, provides guidelines for the design, manufacture, installation, and maintenance of electronics and communications equipment, minimizes damage caused by electrical and physical hazards. Section 3. General Electrical Protection and Grounding Requirements. Covers electrical protection measures against lightning, power line accidents, electromagnetic or electrostatic interference, and local earth potential rise. Objectives. Protects communication systems from electrical hazards that may cause injury, service interruptions, and costly maintenance. Primary considerations. A. Minimize electrical hazards to personnel. B. Reduce damage to equipment. C. Prevent fire hazards in communication systems. D. Avoid acoustic shock hazards for communication users. Traffic signs and symbols. Traffic signs and symbols are visual indicators placed along roads to guide, warn, and regulate drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists. They ensure safety and smooth traffic flow. First, regulatory signs or mandatory rules and laws. These signs inform road users of laws and regulations that must be followed. Violating them can result in penalties. Examples: stop. Drivers must come to a complete stop before proceeding. Yield. Give way to other vehicles before merging. No entry. Vehicles are not allowed to enter. Speed limit. Indicates the maximum or minimum speed allowed. No U-turn. U-turns are not allowed in the area. No parking. Parking is prohibited in the specified area. Next, warning signs or cautionary notices. These signs alert drivers about potential hazards ahead, usually yellow with black symbols. Examples: pedestrian crossing. Slow down, people might be crossing. Slippery road. The road is slippery. Drive cautiously. Curve ahead. A sharp turn is coming. Reduce speed. Falling rocks. Beware of loose rocks on mountainous roads. Railroad crossing. Be cautious of approaching trains. Third, informative or guide signs. These signs help road users with directions, locations, and services, usually blue or green. Examples: hospital. A medical facility is nearby. Gas station. A refueling station is ahead. Restaurant. Food establishments are available nearby. Exit indicates upcoming highway exits. Parking area shows designated parking zones. Fourth, special road markings and symbols. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian safety crossing. Bus stop symbol marks official bus stop locations. Traffic lights red, yellow, green regulates the flow of vehicles and pedestrians. As an end, let's answer a short quiz. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. 1. What do you call a house, apartment, or any place used as a residence? 2. What is the official document required before constructing a building? 3. What color represents the neutral wire in residential electrical wiring according to the Philippine Electrical Code? 4. What is the law that establishes the rules for safe building construction in the Philippines? 5. What type of traffic sign warns drivers of sharp curves, pedestrian crossings, or road hazards? Here is the list of answers. 1. Dwelling. 2. Permit. 3. White or gray. 4. National Building Code of the Philippines or PD 1096. 5. Warning sign.